How are you guys doing today? I'll be going over a CRT trade that I got into last night. We started this year off strong, getting a couple of funded accounts and just watching them and repeating them. So let's get right into the trade. This trade started at 10 p.m. last night. Um, I was looking here. I'll show you guys in a second. So, boom. All right. I was looking here. And let's look and see what happened within this candle. We are on the 1 hour time frame. So within this 1 hour time frame, I was looking at this candle here. Boom. Let me move this out the way for now. And let's zoom in. And I was looking at how this candle swept the top wick of this candle but closed back into the body. And if you don't understand, this is kind of the premises of a CRT trade. From what a lot of people explains and show, you would like to see a body candle with a wick. You would like to see the next candle overshadow the previous candle but close also within the range of the previous candle. And keep in mind, we've been in a downtrend, a strong downtrend for a good little minute here. So if anything, I was looking for a sell, right? All right, so within this, once I saw that this candle right here, this 9 o'clock candle, takes liquidity from this previous candle and close within the range, all I would like to see is the third candle to open, possibly create a wick higher than the open, and then give a sell model to the downside. Or this candle can open, drop, give a sell model for a sell, and we will execute the trade. And our target will be either 50% or 100% of the initial first candle, right? This third candle started at 10 p.m. So we will go to a smaller time frame and I'll show you guys what I was looking at on this smaller time frame. So this third candle starts at 10 p.m. Keep that in mind. So we will put a vertical line here at 10 p.m. so we can see where we opened up for price, and then we could see what price did. So if you don't know how to look at the time on the chart, I'll show you. It's down here. You just move your cursor back and forth, put the vertical line on 10 p.m. and we can zoom in and see, and I'll show you guys. So if I'm on the hourly chart, if I'm looking for an entry, you can look at the candles, the 3 candle pattern from the hour. And what I do for my entries, I'll look at the 1, 3, and 5. The 1, 2, sometimes the 2, the 1, the 2 minute, the 3 minute, and 5. If I get an entry within those, and I'm just flipping through all of those to get an entry model. But if I get an entry model on either one of those, I'll take the trade. And my target, like again, I said, is 50% of the first candle or 100%. Either one, you could trail it. So 10 o'clock starts, we are right here. So this candle's open up right here. The previous candle, the 9:59 candle, closes here. So 10 o'clock opens right here. And let's put a crosshair right there. 10 o'clock opens right here. Boom. So if 10 o'clock's open right here, the 10 o'clock candle, we create a wick up to the upside. Then the next candle comes down. And what I was looking at within this price action was, once we come down, I'm looking at this fair value gap right here, or this one. So I'll show you what that looked like on a 2 minute, because this is the actual chart I executed the trade on. So the 1 minute, let me flip back. Give me 1 second. I know you guys are like, what is he doing? But it's important that I show you this. So once again, let's zoom in. I want you guys to look at this. So on the 1 minute, over here at the 10 p.m. open, We have fair value gap here, fair value gap here, fair value gap here. So you may be asking, which one do I take? Some people will take this one, some people will take this one, some people will take this one. Well, if you switch to a different time frame, like the 2 minute, it'll clean it up just a tad bit more and give you a better image. So this was the initial candle I was looking at right here. Boom. And what I like to do, some people just take the fair value gap by itself. So that would look like this from here to here, because we have a wick here. So some people like to take that by itself, which would have been a good trade. But me, I just take the whole candle because it gives me comfort at night. But yes, I would take the whole candle, and I'm going to show you the setup. So when we marked out our candle, this is our candle here. This yellow line is a 50% mark, and down here is a 100% mark. So what does that look like for you? Keep in mind, this is the third candle. So we open, we create a wick, we give a sell model, and price come back. So if you were looking at this and you just took this candle here, you have a 1 to 3 just off this candle. And price, soon as price hits this entry right here, I was in this trade. I was in this trade on my account, on a Lucid account. Once price hits this, we instantly melt to the bottom side. This is 2 minutes. So upon price hitting your entry, we have a 16-minute trade. Real easy, real simple, 16-minute. Now, if you were patient and you held it, this trade ran for a 1 to 9, easy 1 to 9. I ended up getting out this trade somewhere right around here, or I think right here. I got out this trade, I think right here. And yeah, it was this wick here. It was this wick here, because once price broke below, I wanted to secure this profit right here, which I wasn't mad about at all, because if you can get from here to here, once again, on these funded accounts, a 1 to 3 is enough to get you paid any day. I pulled a 1 to 5, which in my case, I was very happy about. So yes, this is how you trade a CRT model. And it worked beautifully, beautifully. So yeah, I want you guys to keep in mind of that model right there. And another key thing to take away from, if you're going to trade this model, is go with the trend. Do not go against the trend. Going against the trend will get you hurt. Go with the trend. So if we see we are in a strong uptrend, we will be looking for CRT models that support our uptrend. And let's see. Yeah, we will be looking for CRT models that support our uptrend. And another thing is, on that third candle, on this candle here, if this candle, this third candle, when this 10 p.m. candle, the third candle opens, the higher price goes above that open in this sell that I was looking for, the higher price goes above this open, the kind of better that the better the trade will be, because I'm expecting price to stay below this wick of this second candle, but also give me a sell model above the open. The longer price sits above the open, the more it needs to get from that range, if that makes sense. It needs to go to the bottom. So if it opens here and price breaks above, it needs to get to the bottom. So try to look for your sell models above the open, but if it doesn't give it to you and it does give you a sell model below the open, take it and know where your stop loss is supposed to be placed, and know where your take profit is should be. These are beautiful trades, and like I say, that's how you trade it.